แต่ว่าอยากมีนึงเนาะ
Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm meeting my old school friend in Hat Yai, Thailand. She actually lives in northeastern Malaysia, and for people living in the northern parts of Malaysia, it's actually quite common to pop over the border for a day trip or a weekend trip in southern Thailand in places like Hat Yai, usually just for food, shopping, or a quick massage, rather than doing anything touristy. I'm making my way overland from Koh Phangan to Kuala Lumpur, so we figured why not meet halfway in Hat Yai. It's kind of funny because we hardly see each other back home in Malaysia, and yet here we are catching up in Thailand. We're staying at Hotel High Season, and since she's not here yet, I'll go ahead and check in first. And now that she has arrived, let's go out and eat! Our first stop is the Klonghae floating market, which is one of Hat Yai's top attractions. It's such a cool vibe. Food is sold out of boats, and because the majority of the customers here are Malaysians, most of the sellers can speak Malay, and some of them even take Malaysian ringgit. The prices are really affordable too.
Che c'è l'uovo di tipo.
After all that walking and eating, we're gonna get a thigh massage, which is exactly what I need. 60 minutes of stretching, cracking, and totally zoning out. And then we walk around the night market for more food. Before checking out, we're making our mandatory visit to 7-Eleven. Anyone who has been to Thailand would know that 7-Eleven in this country is a whole attraction on its own. There's always something new to try. I went in for just a quick look and came out with snacks, microwave food, and a self-service Thai milk tea that's super satisfying. Before heading back to Malaysia, we're making a quick stop at Summerthon in Narathiwat. It's a beach-themed cafe just outside Hat Yai, designed to make you feel like you're on a tropical island. If you time your visit right, you'll get to see a plane fly overhead. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next destination.